Good afternoon, everybody. Time for another BrickBucks update. Once again, my name is Jim, and this is where we talk about Lego investing and reselling. So before we dive into the topic today, just wanted to go over our YouTube channel. And the reason why I'm doing this is it seems like over the last few weeks there have been quite a few people that have either DM'd me or have commented on the Facebook group. Then they've said, hey Jim, why don't you do a video on this? Or hey, what do you think of this particular theme? Well, odds are I probably did a video on that. So if you like what you see and you have questions, so go ahead and check it out. Odds are we will have talked about a specific topic that you may have had questions about. And I also wanted to mention our Facebook group. We do have a Facebook group. It is called Lego Reselling and Investing Mastermind by BrickBucks. So this is, where people that watch our videos could come and chat about deals that they may see or answer questions, things of that sort. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because people will ask is, hey, has Jim done a certain video on this? And I'll reply back and I'll say, yeah, here it is right here. And they'll say, oh, I didn't know that this was your Facebook group. So just want to kind of continue to centralize everybody and let them know there's many avenues to get to me, whether it's either on Facebook or it's on the YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about Ninjago, and I'm very much looking forward to this video. This is the second Ninjago video that I've done. I have done another Ninjago video recently. If you haven't seen it, I'm happy to put it in the description below and you can check it out. So what I did on this video is I took the highest priced set that Lego sold, the recommend retail price of various years, and I went ahead and I wanted to see if they really did well when it comes to the return on investment. So real quick, the first one is going to be the Ninjago Masters of Spinjitzu Dragon Pit, set number 70655. And the interesting thing about this, it is going for $249. If you look to see how many people are selling this set, there are only 20 people selling this set right now. I mean, I recently did a video on the Friends set that is coming out, the Friends, the TV series, not the theme. And I mentioned Central Perk, and let me tell you, I think there was 70 resellers that were selling Central Perk. Good luck with that. So I definitely would want this set before I would want Central Perk. Now, when you go to Camel, you can see that this set is doing relatively well. The cheapest you could have got this for was 65 bucks back in 2019. Not that long time ago, right? And then you could have sold this in January of this year for $254. So that's a pretty good return on investment if you ask me. Again, we're going to go to another year. This is going to be the Ninjago Dragon's Forge, set number 70627. Hey, let's see how many resellers are selling this set. Oh, look at that. We have 9 resellers that are selling this set right here. I'm sure they will do well this year when it comes to selling this set. And when we go to Camel, look at that, my friends. I mean, there is some stagnation right here, but after that, I mean, it looks like somewhere right around Q4 of 2019, that's whenever the set started to take off. It did take a dip down, not sure why. Maybe a similar set was put out by Lego, but it looks like it's come back almost to its highest price, which, this is looking pretty good for me. Now let's go again to another year. This is the Ninjago Cave-Based Ninja-Based X, set number 70596. Again, let's see how many resellers are selling this set. Oh, only 11. That's pretty good. I mean, when it comes to sales velocity, the less resellers you have in competition with you, it means you're going to have potentially a higher sales velocity. And that's what you want. You want to buy these sets, you want to hold on to them, and then once it's time to release it, you release it quick, man. You want it to hit that buy box. You want to get that set out of there so you can have money going into your bank account, right? So when we check out Camel, now this chart is broken. It looks like Camel is unable to put out the Amazon data, which is fine. This set sold, I believe, somewhere around $93. and it's going as high as 612. Looks like back Q4 of last year. It has come down a little bit. Well, it's come down $100, but you know, if you purchased it for $93, that is a pretty good return on investment. Next up, we have the Lego Ninjago Temple of Air Jitsu. And let me tell you folks, I saw this set at the Lego store. This set was a work of art. I mean, this is a beautiful set. The box art, oh my gosh, the box art is almost as good as the actual set. I mean, I fell in love with this set. Now, if you recall the last Ninjago video I talked about a gentleman that went by the username eMazers. I'm certain there's quite a few people that are watching this video that were familiar with eMazers, and he told that story about how he purchased close to 100 epic dragon battles, and he ended up not being able to sell them. He returned them to various big box stores, and so that scared me for years. And so I saw this set and I said, I know this is a beautiful set and my gut is telling me to purchase it, but I went against my gut and I decided to bypass this. And it's my fault, because when we look at the camel, I mean, this set is great. We're looking at its highest was $603. The lowest you could have got this set for was, looks like $131. I mean, this is a beautiful looking chart. And finally, we have the Lego Ninjago set number 70728, Battle for Ninjago, currently going for $326 and change. If you look at how many resellers, oh my gosh, there's only 7 resellers. So there's some people that know about Ninjago and they've been keeping their mouth shut. But that's okay, because I think I got their number. And when we go to Camel 3X, I mean, look at this chart. Now, again, so it looks like there has been some stagnation, right? I mean, this set was kind of just dwelling for a while. But then, if you went ahead and had this on the market in December of 2019, that's when it was off to the races. I mean, could you imagine if this set, had more of an aggressive, like a 45-degree angle? I mean, that would still be a very impressive chart. So it looks like this set in the clutch was able to be a winner. And when you go to the Excel, you can see that the return on investments are pretty decent. I didn't talk about the 2019, 2020, or 21 because, they're still around, either retired or still at the recommended retail price. The 2818 Dragon Pit, it doesn't have the best return on investment, but that recently retired, right? 12 months from now, it'll do much better. But let me tell you, man, I mean, you have right here on eBay, Dragon's Forge, at 188%. That's awesome. And something I did that I don't usually do was I also have another return on investment right here where, if you were to purchase the set at 20% off, look at how aggressive that return on investment is. The Dragon's Forge on eBay, you're looking at 259%, which is not bad. Now, here's the deal. You could have easily have purchased these sets at 20% off, but if you know what you're doing, you could have purchased these sets at a much higher discount. Hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, I'm Jim with BrickBucks.net. Always go out there and get it.